Hey guys, it's Gabby, and today I'll be showing you my updated slime collection. And yes, I am filming again today, but I'm not going to promise you that because I might not. So, and yes, I have new slimes that I'm going to show you. So, and it's not in any way. So, yeah, let's get on to the video. So, this is not in order. So, I'm first going to show you this one. This is I named this one. So this is my Magic Fairy Jelly Slime. I'm trying to get it up. Okay. So this is my Magical Fairy Jelly Slime. It has sparkles in it, and it's really like jiggly and jelly. And I keep it in this like little magical container. It's not a magical container, it's just a little container for it. I don't even have any other containers because my mom says do not use a food container. Those are for food. And I'm like, okay. And I can't find any else containers. So yeah, and it's really like annoying. And I can't find other containers. Or else my slime, so like dry up. So then I have my banana slime, and yes, this is my favorite. So it's yellow, so it's really stretchy. It does not have sparkles in it, but it's really sticky. Well, it's not that sticky, it's not that sticky, it's just a lot stretchier. Okay, so the next slime I have is this like putty texture, I guess, and I did not name this slime yet. And it does have sparkles in it. And last time this slime was like really sticky, and then I put borax in it and it became like really stretchy and not sticky, and it's really bubbly when you squeeze it. So the next slime I have is my Great Blast, and I believe I didn't show you guys this one. I think I didn't, but this is my Great Blast slime. And I'm just going to tell you, my friend might FaceTime me, so she might be in the video, but I don't know. So this is my Great Blast that I made, I think, last week. And then, okay. Next slime I have is my Peachy Crunchy slime. So this one has orange foam balls in it, and the slime is white. I really like this slime because it's really like stretchy, and sometimes the foam balls stick to you, so I don't take this one out often. So the next slime I have, and I didn't name this one yet, this is like this dark blue color, and I think I'm gonna name it Blueberry Blast, because I want to have this like collection of like grape, blueberry, strawberry, and I do have a strawberry one, but I'm not going to show you it yet. So I might name this one Blueberry Blast, or a different one, or a different name. So the next slime I have is my crunchy slime, and yes, I showed you this before. And I do not take this one out because, well, not really. So I'll take this one out for you guys. It's really like crunchy, and the foam balls do stick to you. And then you have to just get all the foam balls off of you. And then I'll have less foam balls. Next slime I have is my Rainbow Bead slime. Okay, I'll pick that up after. Okay, so my Rainbow Bead slime, and I'll take this one out, but the beads might fall out. Well, only like a few of them. So this is a bead slime, and it has rainbow beads in it. So let me just put it back. So this is what it looks like. And let me get the cap. Okay. And then next I have this, my mint slime. And no, I don't take this one out because the beads are going to fall out and it's really sticky. So I could just show you, it's this really tinted green. It has lots of beads in it. Next slime I have is my orange bead slime. This one does not stick to you, but I'm not going to take this one out because the beads do fall out. So yeah. And then my next one I have, sorry, I have to keep bending over. Okay. So next item I have is my, I did not name this one yet, and this is one of my new ones. Yes. This is, and I had to throw my turquoise slime out because it was getting really sticky. So this is how it turned out, my turquoise slime. And then I put baking soda in it. So yeah, it's not that sticky anymore. Well, it's not sticky. And it's a bit wet, but I still like it. So the next slime I have is, this is my crazy slime, and I do name it crazy because there's lots of stuff in it. Let me just put the name. Okay, so this is my crazy slime, and it has beads in it. I don't really care, so I'm just gonna take it out for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's a bit stretchy, but I don't stretch a lot because the beads will come out. So yeah, and my mom's gonna mix it. So yeah, I'll tell you what it's in here. So I have kinetic sand in here, cubes, beads, water, and soap, and that's all. So yeah, and I do keep it in this big container. So the next slime I have is my turquoise slime. Well, I didn't, it's not my turquoise slime, it's a different kind of it because I made a new version of it. So I call it Sky Blast because it looks like sky a bit. And here it is. It's kind of like the color of my room, but it's just a bit lighter than that. And I really love this slime. If I lost this slime, I would be so upset. So yes, it really is stretchy. And I really love the color of it. So that's Sky Blast. I might name it Sky Blast. And then I think I have 2 more slimes left. Yeah, I did. Okay, so I'll show you my second favorite one after this one. Okay, so this is my Strawberry Blast, and I only have a little bit of it because, yeah, and it's a bit stretchy, and I call it Strawberry Blast because I don't know. I have Strawberry Blast, Great Blast, no, Blueberry Blast, I might name that one, Great Blast, and Sky Blast. And I believe I said Great Blast 2 times, but whatever. So yeah, that was my Strawberry Blast. And then my second favorite, this is the last slime that I'm showing you, is my watery slime. So yes, I will take this one out because it doesn't have beads in it, obviously. Okay, so let me take this one out. So I do not know how I made this watery slime. It's like slime you buy at stores. There's more of it. Okay, so yeah, this is my water slime. And I will like cry if I lose this slime. I don't know why, but I love this slime. I just farted. Okay. So, and I keep these little slimes in these little containers. So yeah, and I might be filming today again. And I might, so yeah. So that's the end of my video. So bye. Bye guys.